that or because of respect. That's why she tell me.
Baby, you think say Mitzi respect you? Mitzi want book her to and drop in your life from a long time and you know that, so don't do that, baby.
So I like she a tell.
Baby, please. Listen, Annalisa tell, she's not lying, but she exaggerates.
What she a exaggerate?
Everything, babe.
Everything and you say and I lie.
Chris, you come for the shop, I can tell you everything from start. You come for the shop, I never did expect him. I never know who this man was. 15 years now, baby.
What's it?
15 years.
What's
Baby,
it?
just hear me out, please. If you need to listen to me, you need to listen to me. Oh, this time, alright? Come for the shop, him carry the gifts. Me try figure out when I come because first I not even didn't know if I in for true.
Ma give
And
gifts.
it,
What
Yes,
gift
baby.
them then?
At the shop.
At the shop. Hear me I say. I don't think now at the time to talk about this.
Babe, no at the time. No, we talk about this. That's the problem. I put things off and I'm not get to address it same time. I want to talk about this now, please.
Alright, I could talk. When they back at work, I have a whole heap of things to focus on. You know the nature of my work already. Can't deal with them petty things. Yeah. I can't deal with the infidelity.
Infidelity? So you really think me a cheap on you, Chris?
So if your ex-man come back, and every time I come link him carry gifts. And every time when him come, you and him leave. What you call that?
Baby, I understand how it look, but that is not it. I just ask you, please trust me. You always ask me for trust you. I may ask you this one time. Trust me. It is not what it looks like.
So yeah, I say done between you and him.
Not never did if it done in our first place, baby, and that me I try to show you.
Alright. Here you. I'm gonna trust you on this. Basically, any of this come up again, eat that for me.
Baby. You know that one again.
Alright.
Can just get my stuff and we can go home without what this please. Can finish this at home. We do it, baby.
Alright.